Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open File Explorer using the shortcut Win plus E to begin. Quick Access appears at the left pane top for immediate navigation. It shows recent files and frequent folders for faster retrieval of what you need. You can pin items to keep them permanently visible in Quick Access. Use a right-click and choose Pin to Quick Access to pin any folder. To unpin, right-click and select Unpin from Quick Access to remove it instantly. To add a new folder, navigate to it in File Explorer and right-click the folder. Choose Pin to Quick Access to anchor it at the top of the list. Alternatively, drag the folder into the Quick Access area to pin it using your mouse. To remove a pinned folder, right-click and select Unpin from Quick Access for an immediate cleanup. You can also clear all recent entries from the Options menu if you prefer a minimal Quick Access view. Customize Quick Access behavior by opening Folder Options from the View menu. In Folder Options, toggle Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders as preferred. Clearing File Explorer history removes recent items without removing pinned folders. Use Win plus E to open File Explorer instantly whenever you need quick navigation. Press Alt plus D to focus the address bar for fast path entry or paste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.